So I would say we start off right now. We did 5 minutes. Everybody could join now. We don't want to let everybody else waiting for too long. So once again, welcome for everybody to joining this call about Bitfoot. And let's jump right into the presentation. I will share my screen, which you should see now, and let's go. So the presentation we're going to talk about today, the project we're going to talk about today is called Bitfoot. Quickly explain what is Bitfoot, the fastest trading platform that is coming. Especially when we talk about sniper bots, some may know what it is, some don't. So let me explain it to you. Sniper bot is a tool that helps you to buy faster and to sell faster, especially in the decentralized market when we talk about meme coins. Why is speed so essential? Because meme coins are way more volatile than other cryptocurrencies. And that's because of the small market capitalization, meaning that small volume can already increase the price a lot. And we see it every single day. There is new coins launching, and they have in 1 minute a price increase of 80%. And if you trade manually, you use wallets or you use decentralized exchanges directly, those transactions can take up to 15 seconds. And if you're unlucky, those transactions fail because of a too high price increase during that time. Then you have to do it one more time and you end up in the market 30, 45, or even 60 seconds later. And 60 seconds is a damn lot in the meme coin market. So this means that you are missing out on profits when you enter the market and when you want to exit the market. And that's also a reason why all the professional meme coin traders out there that doing it on a regular basis are using sniper bots, because you get the entries you want and the exits you want. So that's about the manual trading with such sniper bots. But what's even more interesting is then the whole automatic process. So here, Bitfoot not only providing the tool for that, but also gives you access to our ultimate sniper community. So we have here experts in our team that made in the last meme coin cycle over 7-figure in profits. And they share their knowledge and the strategies here with the community through chat, through video, and also then through our academy. So what you can see here is when we jump into the videos, what you can expect is we'll see a full guide how to find new 10x coins. You see sniping strategies, you see dip strategies, and you can also see how to find and copy elite traders. And that's one of the most interesting parts here. And I will tell you also why. So we also like to call them elite traders inside wallets. The reason for that is that those traders most of the time have some insider information. That's why they have such good entries and make such huge profit. So I will also show you here in action how this whole thing works. So here you can see when we look at charts of meme coins, we always see a typical chart structure. At the really beginning, only a few traders entering, and then we see a 5, 10, 50, or even 100x. The good thing here is that the blockchain is a completely transparent thing, meaning we can see and look up those traders that entered here below. How do we do that? I can also show you here. When we scroll down, we can see all the activity of the token, meaning all the buys and all the sells. And then we see also the trader section, where we see all the traders that entered and exited with the most profits. Meaning this is all filtered from the best traders to the worst traders down. And how we can do that, I can also show you that. So here, we're not looking for someone that's entering with 180,000 and exiting with 280,000, because this is not even a 2x. This is just a big investor. What we are looking for is someone like, for example, here, that's entering with $1,000 and exiting with $89,000. Meaning this guy made 89x only with this project. And the only way to make 89x is entering that low and exiting at a really high position. So what can we do with that information? We can now look up this trader. We can go here on the left side and we can copy his wallet. With only one click, we can insert his wallet here in the search bar. And then we can look up all the data of this trader that he has been doing since this wallet is created. You can see the total P&L and profit that he made, 987,000. We can see the total win rate, which is 95%. And we can see the last 7 days, he made 504% and $386,000. The good thing here is we can also look up the exact distribution of this trader, meaning every single trade. See here, 11 trades over 500%, 2 trades between 2 and 500, 51 trades between 0 and 200, and 30 trades between 0 and minus 50. And I'm always that transparent and telling everybody, yes, it is realistic, but sometimes you have some negative trades. And every company that's telling you the opposite, and telling that you will only have positive trades, I'm always very skeptical because that's not the reality. I know one of the best traders in crypto as well as in the Forex industry, and all these traders also sometimes have negative trades. That's the reality. But we have to focus on the big picture. We have to see how his total performance, how is his win rate, and also how accurate is his win rate right now in the last 7 days. The last thing that we're going to do is we check how active this trader is, because we don't want a trader that made those performances 3 months ago, because this wouldn't be accurate to right now. What we want is a trader that's doing this profit right now. And that's what we can see here in the age section. You can see 1 hour ago, he entered another trade. 3 hours ago, he entered another trade. 4 hours ago, he made a profit of $3,000. 13 hours ago, he made a profit of $386. And based on that, we can see this trader is even trading today, and we can just copy his wallet here and enter it in our sniper bot. So the sniper bot of Bitfoot is on Telegram. Really simple implementation. So we just click here on start. And when we click on start, we have a very, very simple interface. So we can here click on copy trade, and we can just insert the wallet. And from the moment the wallet is inserted, every single trade that this trader is going to be doing, our wallet will also execute at the same exact second. So how does this look like? When the trader in 3 or 5 days enters another insider trade, you don't have to do anything. It doesn't matter if you're on your phone, if you're asleep, same trade will be executed on your wallet as well. So that's one of the main USPs of this whole project, is that the user himself is all the time 100% in control. So there's no moment where you're sending your money to some company and that's working with your money. The money is always on your wallet, and every single second, if you want to, you can withdraw all of that money. If you want to, you can withdraw every single time your profits. And if you want to, you even have the chance. Let's say there's an active trade and the trader wants to sell at 200%, but you say 100% is enough for you. So you can manually close the trade and also withdraw right away the profits. So you are in full control. Now let's talk about the risk management, because some people might be saying, okay, but what if I hit a wrong trade and lose all of my money? That's where our risk management comes in place. So when we click on the trader, we have something called the amount mode. So here I can just click and really simple edit it. So I can type in, for example, here now 0.2 Solana. This switches to 0.2, and this means that it doesn't matter if the trader trades with 500, with 2,000, or with $5,000, your wallet will execute every single trade with only 0.2 Solana. So $30. So you are even in full of control how much you want to enter every single trade, and you don't have to worry to lose everything in one trade. Because based on the win rate, based on the analysis we do from those traders, we can tell with a high winning rate, there's 10 trades, and 8 trades are winning trades and 2 trades are losing trades. Those winning trades will probably have more profits than those losing trades had made you loss. So how does this all look in action? I can also show you as well, as we had the bot running since 5th October as a beta test, and I'll show you how this looks like. So every single time a trader executes a trade, you will get a notification on your wallet, on your Telegram, showing public swap transaction. It will show you how much the trader entered the trade, 5 Solana, he bought Sasha. And our wallet bought for 0.1 Solana as well, Sasha. A little bit later, he sold the Sasha for 35%. The same scenario here, he bought for 0.1 Solana LARP, and a little bit later, he sold it for 41%. A very important part for us was also the automatic marketing. Because even if I'm a technical guy, and for me, it's interesting how it's possible that we outperform all the sniper bots on the market, I think for the masses out there, what counts is the results. That's why the marketing is also focused completely on the results, meaning when a trade is closed, it automatically generates for you a picture which you can share, where it shows the token that you traded, the duration, how long the trade was open, the percentage that you made, the dollars that you made, and on the right bottom side, your username with your ref link, meaning people can scan this QR code, get right into the sniper bot, and from that moment, every single transaction they execute, you get instantly lifetime commission. So when we look at those commissions and if we look at those profits, we can see now 35%, 40%, 80%. But what's interesting is that those insider traders, they tend to also have some insider trades. And how do they look like? I can show you as well. So we can see here on 10 October at 3:15 at night, meaning I was sleeping. Still, my wallet bought for 0.1 Solana jelly. At 4:20, 30 minutes later, I was still sleeping. He sold the jelly for 0.568 Solana, meaning close to 600% in 30 minutes. The only bad thing here is that I was only trading with 0.1 Solana regarding of test reasons, but you can also see the trader himself traded with 2 Solana and sold it for 14 Solana, meaning this guy made in 30 minutes close to $3,000. And the best thing here is those insider traders, they tend to trade more often. So how does this look like? I can show you as well. As the same trader traded another insider trade a few days later, which was the coin Horny. He bought the coin Horny and he held it for 4 days and 17 hours and then sold it for 3,468%. Meaning with an own invest of $14, I made here close to $402. The best thing here is, as those traders are smart, we are following smart traders, and based on the results, we are pasting them in. He didn't sold here 100% of the position, but only 75% of the position, meaning 25% of the position he was still holding. What have he done with the last 25%? I can also show you as well. As 1 day later, which you can see here, 5 days and 12 hours, he sold 25% position for 6,594%, meaning another $255, meaning with an own invest of 0.1 Solana, at this time $14, I made close to $700. So now what's interesting is that a lot of people, if you start sharing pictures like that and profits like that, and they don't have any experience of how much potential is in the meme coin markets, they won't believe you. They will be saying this must be some Photoshop stuff, but this can't be true. And the good thing here is that we don't only have the data here on the picture. We don't only have the data here in the sniper bot, but we also have something with every single trade when it's closed. Something is called here transaction success soul scan. So we can click on that, and this will bring us to the blockchain where it will show us the exact transaction on the blockchain. We have the transaction ID. We see the time when the transaction happened. We can see the swap, which you can see here, $15 swapped, and then it's right now $518 worth. So you can see every single transaction. Doesn't matter how big or how small it is. You can not only share the picture, but you can also implement the link to the transaction on the blockchain where people see the proof. And they can't even tell you that this wasn't true because it is exactly shown on the blockchain. So that's regarding the sniper bot itself. But jumping right into the next point about Bitfoot, which is very, very interesting. And this is the Bitfoot token. So the Bitfoot token is a utility token with its own ecosystem. On the one side, we have the sniper bot access. On the other side, we have the community course access. So everybody after the pre-sale that wants to use the sniper bot or the academy has to buy $50 worth of Bitfoot token and has to hold it to remain the access. The vision behind that is that every single day, more and more people will come in and more people will have to buy the Bitfoot token. So by this, we have every single day buy power coming into the open market. People buying at least $50 worth of Bitfoot token. Second thing is, those people have to hold the token to remain the access. So at the same time, the holder amount of Bitfoot is growing every single day, which is very interesting when we talk about the second part, which is central exchange listings, like for example, Binance or KuCoin, because they look at the total holder amount, and the more holder are out there, the easier it gets to get listed on those exchanges. Coming to the third part, which is the buyback feature. And I always like to highlight this feature because I see it as the heart of the project, and you will also understand why. So same as on an exchange, say Binance, you have a buy and a sell transaction fee. So a trading fee. Same scenario we have here with our sniper bot, meaning for every buy and every sell, you have a 1% trading fee. From this 1%, 50% goes off to our affiliate marketing, and 10% will be used to buy back tokens from the open market and burn them immediately, ensuring healthy growth. So you have to understand those 10%, they don't land on some wallet where someone's manually buying and selling how he wants. No, these 10% are coded in the smart contract, which is audited by Certic, one of the most known external auditors. And when a transaction is happening, a trading fee is deducted. From that, 10% is flowing right away into the open market, buying back tokens and burning them right away. Some of you are asking, what means burning? Burning means that those tokens that are being bought can't be sold at the higher price, but they get eliminated from the blockchain, meaning the total supply of tokens gets decreased every single day, while at the same time, we have buy power coming in every single day. And especially when we talk about price structure or volume inflow in different cryptocurrencies, especially meme coins, a lot of people say it's only based on community. Meaning people say the price goes up if the community is positive, the price goes down if the community is negative. But here you could say it's completely irrelevant, because even when the community is not actively buying the token, but still there's transaction happening on SniperBot, meaning volume is being generated at the same time trading fees being generated, and from that 10% automatically flows into the open market, buying back tokens every single day and burning them right away. So now, if I show you some examples of projects that also implemented that buyback feature, you'll understand how powerful that is. On the one side, we have Bong. On the other side, we have Banana. So Banana, for example, had a pre-sale of 75 cents. After 1 year, they've been now listed on Binance, had an all-time high of $75, meaning in 1 year, a 100x. Mainly based because of that buyback feature. Meaning the community is growing every single day. More people are trading, more volume is being generated, meaning more fees are being generated and more buybacks are coming every single day into the market, buying back tokens and burning them. That's why you see a very healthy price structure and not just some community pump and dump scheme. And based on that, you can see how this price structure is moving. And now if we compare it and look deeper into the data, because I'm not a man of words, I like to talk about data and show you that as well. So Banana, for example, had after 1 year, a daily active user amount of 6,200 members. And I always like to say that everybody who has a little bit of experience in affiliate marketing knows that this is not a big number, especially when we talk about a project which has a free product. If we compare it now with Bitfoot, Bitfoot is now only active with the pre-registration since a few weeks, the pre-sale starting last week on Sunday, and now already has a total registered amount of user of 17,800 people. We are growing right now every single day worldwide, over 2,000 registrations, and the SniperBot didn't even start. So now you can imagine how much potential this project has. If Banana could make this work with 6,200 members, how much potential this could mean for Bitfoot, which is growing 2,000 members every single day. Still, with those 6,200 members, Banana has a daily trading volume of 54 million, meaning 1% of that is trading fee, 540,000. Half of this we will give out in affiliate commission, and 10% of that is going into buybacks every single day. Meaning we are talking about 5 figures, some days even 6 figures, that are flowing every single day in the market, buying back tokens and burning them right away. Now, some of you might be saying, okay, but 54 million, this is a huge number. But you have to understand that the trading volume is not the same as own capital. And to make this more clear, I made an example where I took $150, meaning 1 Solana, and I traded with this 1 Solana by buying 10 different tokens and selling them after 5 to 10 minutes with a small profit. I was only calculating here with an average profit of 10%. Even when we've seen before in the SniperBot 50, 80, 100, or 1000%, we want to calculate here worst case scenario. So I was buying for 150. I was selling for 165, meaning I only made $15 in profit, but I generated a trading volume of $315. If I now do this 10 times a day, same scenario, at the end of the day, I have a trading volume of $3,150. And if I now do this for a month, let's say we cut off the weekends and we cut off some days during the week too. We only calculate with 20 days per month. At the end of the month, I would have generated a trading volume of $63,000 with an own capital of $150. And now comes the interesting part when we talk about recommending the project. Because also here we calculated really low, only with 10 people with the same capital of $150 doing the same scenario, meaning 10 trades per day, 20 days per month. At the end of the month, you would have in your downline a trading volume of $630,000, meaning when we only talk about the direct commission of 25% on this volume of the trading fees, you would have earned $1,575. And now comes the realistic part, because a lot of people, I think, that are also right now attending this call won't be only sharing this project with 10 people. You'll be sharing it with 20, 50, with 100 or even more. And a lot of those people won't be only trading with $150, but maybe with 300, 600, 1,000 or even more. So both multiplications of both sides also end up in the commission at the end of the month. Meaning, to be very realistic, I think for a lot of leaders, it will be possible to earn here 5 to even 6 figures every single month. And I think even the biggest leaders in here will also be able to earn here 7 figures every single month. And I think it's mainly based also on the easy onboarding, because here you're not selling a high ticket product where you get a one-time commission, then how you have to think about some upselling or to get some more people in every single day. Here it's completely different. People get in for free. They can choose by themselves how much they want to trade it. If it's $10, $50, $150, $1,500, it's completely up to them. And from that moment, it doesn't matter if they trade today, in 3 weeks, or in 5 years. Every single trade that they will be doing, you will get instantly lifetime commission on that. And especially when we talk now about the commission, I only mentioned now 25% direct commission, but I told you before that we give out up to 50% in our commission plan. So how does this look like? I can show you as well. So we have here a 5-level uni-level plan. In the first level, we have 25%. In the second level, we have 5%. In the third level, we have 3.5%. And then we have a partner bonus, which you get access to if you hit 10 million trading volume on your 3 levels, where you get on top of the first level 10%, meaning in total 35%, and a fourth and a fifth level with 2.5%. The interesting part here is, as it's a decentralized project, there is no third party that is holding this money where you have some lock periods to get the commission out of it or something else. Here, in the same second the transaction's happening, trading fees deducted, and from that, your commission is calculated and flowing right away into your wallet where you can withdraw it in the same exact second. Now, we had some leaders that also asked us, is there any possibility to earn deeper than the 5th level? And also here we have something which is called the Bitfoot staking community pool. So you have to understand, 1% is fee. 50% of that is going into affiliate marketing, meaning 50% is still there for the company. From the 50% of the company, 40% of that is flowing into our community pool. So you can see it similar as a 40% equity of the whole volume of the whole structure. Doesn't matter if it's in your 24th level, if it's in your 87th level, or if it's a sideline and his 32th level. The whole volume of the whole structure flows into this community pool, and the more Bitfoot token you hold, the bigger is your equity of this pool, which gets rewarded to you every single day, creating an extra source of passive income. And a lot of people realize the potential behind it, and also buying now a lot of Bitfoot token at the pre-sale, because you are now getting it for a really cheap price. Because when we talk about the pre-sale, that's the last step that we're going to jump in, is here that the pre-sale started on Sunday, meaning it's live right now, and you are now able to buy a Bitfoot token. The process behind that looks like that you connect your wallet, you charge it with either Ethereum, USDT, or USDC, all on the Ethereum blockchain. Don't forget to also have Ethereum as your gas fee to get a successful transaction. And from that, you're then able to purchase Bitfoot token. Right now, we are in the third round, meaning the price is $0.09. The last round is 14 cents. We have 1 cent price increases. So it is a very good possibility to get now very cheap Bitfoot token, because at 14 cents, when the pre-sale is over, the token gets listed on a decentralized exchange called Uniswap and will be then able for everybody to trade on there. The last thing here that you can also do when you connect your wallet, you have the possibility to create as well a referral link. Meaning with this referral link, if you share it with people and people buy Bitfoot token through your referral link, you also get a 10% direct commission in USDT, which is only possible right now in the pre-sale, because after the pre-sale is finished and people will need to buy the Bitfoot token on the decentralized market, there is no commission anymore. So this is the last chance to also earn on this as well. So yeah, that's everything now about the whole project itself. Bitfoot, the sniper bot, the academy, and the pre-sale. So we will do also now a little Q&A session, meaning if you have any questions, just type them into the chat and we will go through them. Thank you very much. All the people that ask, how do I get the sniper bot active? So the sniper bot will be available after the pre-sale finishes. The pre-sale, if it finishes in 3 or 4 weeks, then the sniper bot is available for everybody. For everybody that wants to have it earlier, you also have now an early access, meaning from tomorrow. If you want to get an early access, you only have to hold $250 worth of Bitfoot token. And if you have that, tomorrow you will be able to already use the sniper bot. So now there's the question of some people that ask on behalf of the winning traders and the insider wallets. Will there be enough insider wallets if we reach more than 100,000 users? And to give you here also some more insights on that, we had also some deeper research. Meaning for the last month, for example, we had 380,000 tokens that had been generated. Only 3 to 5% of those tokens hit over $100,000 of market cap, meaning we're talking only about 15,000 different projects with a market cap over 100,000. From this 15,000, you can tell approximately 10 insider wallets are for each project. Some project will have more, some project will have less, but we'll count with 10. So in total, at the end of the month, you would have 150,000 insider wallets that could be looked up to. If we now divide that by 30, you would have 5,000 insider wallets that you could look up every single day. And if you compare it right now also, for example, with the insider wallets that are now I implemented into our sniper bot, I did put 2 insider wallets 4 weeks ago, and since then I leave it running. So even when every single day 5,000 new insider wallets are coming in, I don't look them up, because if my traders are being profitable for me, I'm happy. I don't need to change anything. Meaning every single day there's 5,000 more that I could be looking up that are adding up, but I don't have to do that. So there's more than enough insider wallets, even when we will be 100 or 200,000 people, and there will be no worries about that. How many traders can you trade at the same time? We have now here a limit of 25 traders that can be traded at the same time. How many rounds of pre-sale is left? We have in total 7 rounds, meaning 4 more rounds are left. Then the question is, will there be provided wallets, or do we have to find them on our own? On one side, we will provide you with wallets. On the other side, we'll also show you through Academy sessions and also live sessions how we track wallets on our own and how you can do it as well. As it's a really, really simple thing here that we will share with the people. Can you turn auto trading on and off? Yes, at every single time, you can turn the auto trading on and off. You can turn off, for example, only the buys or only the sells. This is completely up to you, and you are in full control. And the question is, you said you can withdraw everything at any time. How about if some funds are in trades at these moments? Possible there are also longer trades over days. So even then, you have the chance to just close the trades manually and already get your funds out. The question is, any videos to set up with SniperBot? Also, that will be available tomorrow for everybody. You have an academy session where everybody can see the exact steps how to set it up. Are the commissions received directly in Ethereum and Solana wallet, or will they be inside the bot and we have to claim them? So also here, they will be able to claim. So every single time you want to claim them, you can just claim them from the SniperBot directly onto your wallet. Then the question is, will you teach us how to identify wallets that are profitable? Yes, we will do that. We also have, after this call, another call where we show the people how we track wallets, how this whole setup looks like, and what you can be looking out for. The question is, when does the token go live? The token goes live 48 hours after the pre-sale finishing. How many blockchains will we follow? We have the possibility of multi-chain functionality, meaning you can trade on Ethereum, on Base, on BSC, and on Solana. Can I follow multiple traders on multiple blockchains, or do I have to choose one blockchain? You can feel free to choose multiple traders on multiple blockchains. I would recommend focus on one blockchain. Don't overcomplicate it too much. Focus on one blockchain. There's more than enough traders on, for example, Solana, and you can look up their traders. You get more used to it. You get to know what tokens are also interesting to look into, and then just focus on that. When claiming those rewards, will we have to pay fees? There is no fees from the company side. There is only the gas fees, which will also every single time will display it in the SniperBot itself, so you know how much the gas fees are. As I see, Benny, you're raising your hand. We don't have the audio function active. If you could type in the question, that would be amazing. Thank you. How many insider wallets can one follow at the same time? It's the same as I said before, 25. At what time tomorrow is the bot coming? There is still no time announced, but it will be tomorrow at the evening, approximately at the same time we're having the call right now. Hey, if there's no more questions coming in right now, I would say thank you, everybody, and we will hear each other tomorrow for the next presentation or in the next half hour when we look into exact how to find wallets, how does it look like, and how to prepare yourself. Thank you, everybody, and have a good evening.